Come on. Early morning here with Rooting. Good morning to you. Go on now. Well, apparently there's a population of red squirrels made its way down into North Yorkshire. They've been there for a while, but there's a new population, so they are spreading. I think it's partly down to volunteers, often retired people. Volunteers is a volunteer group up in the Lake District, Cumbria, up there managing to protect them. And they also trap grey squirrels as well in cages. It isn't illegal apparently to kill grey squirrels, as long as it's done humanely. And apparently they do strip a lot of bark from trees as well. Greys can be quite damaging to trees. Whether reds do that as well, I am not sure. Come on then. October 25 today. Early morning, it's about 7:25 in the morning. There's hardly anybody about. In fact, I've seen nobody actually. Reservoir levels are still nice and low. What's Winnie up to? This week in the garden going to be, while it's still mild, I'm going to plant out more of the small plants that have been growing nicely under the plastic system, and we'll get them under the plastic bottles. So we'll see a little bit of that. I'm going to get those out, and I'm going to plant a few more seeds as well. Unfortunately, the sweet corn that I'd saved on the corn on the